How to recover deleted photos and videos. So if you want to recover your deleted photos and videos on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your albums, or you can go with your Google Photos. So you can simply go with your gallery or your albums at first. And once you open up your gallery, now you just need to simply scroll all the way down, and here you will have deleted, recently deleted. Tap on it and then go with the tick which is on the top right, and select the videos or photos that you would like to recover, and then go with the three dots again, or you will also have the recover section which is right here. So tap on the recover and your photos or videos will be recovered. Or the second way is you can open up your Google Photos. On your Google Photos, you need to go with collections, which is on the bottom right, and tap on trash, which is on the top right, and select the video or the photo that you would like to recover. And here on the bottom right, you will have restore option. Just simply tap on restore and your photos or videos will be restored. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.